exactly what I was
The following videos will contain racist comments that may offend you. Remember, if you don't want to listen to racist comments, please leave the classroom or don't listen.
Dude, that test is so hard. Dude, I know, right? I didn't know what I was doing. It was so Asian.
I guess the teacher should change the curriculum.
Oh, what you doing? Get out of my way.
Oh, dude. He's so ghetto.
Ghetto-ness goes a long way.
Man, I hate these freaking balls. That's so Spanish. Dude, my phone is so messed up, and I called those people that they have because this phone isn't like a real service. OMG, that's so Indian.
They have strong accents. Go. That's so gay.
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 It's so gay.
9 out of 10 lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans students report being harassed at school in the last year. Over 1/3 of lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans students have been physically assaulted at school because of their sexual orientation or gender identity. When you say that's so gay, do you realize what you say? Knock it off.